Hi, this is Stalin. Today we are going to see Python MySQL connectivity. Before going to make a connection, we have some preconditions. These are the preconditions. First one, Python installation. Second one, MySQL installation. Third one, MySQL connector. Fourth one, DNS Python installation. These are the file we already installed in our system. Then we go for Python to MySQL connection. Okay. Now going to check. I already installed Python my system. Command prompt Python. This is already installed 3.8.2 version. Okay. And MySQL let's you match to first. Okay. Yes, the MySQL version is 6.0. So I already installed Python and MySQL Server version 6. Then connector, MySQL connector. How to install MySQL connector? The query is Python -m5 install MySQL underscore connector. That's what. Oh, sorry. Exit CLS. Python -m I install SQL connector. If not install your system, it will install from the internet. Otherwise, we are installed, so the requirement already satisfied. So already installed in this system MySQL connector. Then DNS 5.3 install DNS Python. This one also I already installed. So the requirement already satisfied. So we already installed Python, MySQL connector, DNS Python installation. So now we go for connection. Okay. Before connection, we need some parameters to from the Python to MySQL. Hostname and username, password. These are the parameters. So I'm going to open my file, MySQL connection. This is the MySQL connection. Import mysql.connector. I create one file mydb equal to mysql.connector.connect method. Host name is local IP. Either you can give local IP or localhost. Username, root, admin, and admin password. So now try to execute this file, mycon file. Then I open file name is in cd desktop cd PRTM program MySQL. The file name is mycon Python mycon.py. This is showing some errors. What is the error? Unknown character set UTF-8 MB4. This is the problem. So we have to add one more parameter like here char set equal UTF-8 character set. Okay, then I save. Now I execute again this file. Python mycon.py. Now the connection was established. So Python and MySQL connection were established, and I have to check if not error message showing this connection is established. Otherwise some error message was showing this one. Next one is create database. First showing the database. What are the database available? So show DB database. This is the showing database. Import MySQL connector and DB equal to MySQL connector.connect method, host name, address, user, root, password, and character set. My cursor equal to mydb.cursor function, my cursor.execute show database. So show database means what are the databases available in MySQL. So Python show db.py. So there are 4 databases available.